Hello, my name is Avilash. Welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time trader by profession and I have started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis and also upload video like this. Okay, so this is not a professional video because I do not edit my videos. I do not have time to edit videos. I had a green screen. I had to remove the green screen because I do not get time to edit videos. Okay. So in this video, I'll analyze the Canadian National Railway Corporation. Hmm. And this video is not for day trading. This video is mainly for those people who are mainly into investment and who are looking for investment purpose. Okay, this video is for investment purpose only, not for day trading purpose. For day trading, I bring videos on every day just before the market opens. But today, in this beautiful Sunday morning, I have this stock for investment. Okay, so I have the chart of CNR. It's a daily time frame chart. Okay, in daily time frame chart you can see that right now trading at 137.85. Okay, and it made a low here. Cannot see the low because of my face. Okay, it's around at 100. Okay, anyways, not required, but we can see that right now trading at 137.85 and it has good amount of resistance at 147.2 level. Okay, and overall the trend is nice. Okay, so whenever when the market will go up and hit this particular level of 147, so it will face a resistance and it may show some reversal sign also. And if it shows some reversal sign, then hopefully it will take support at the 200 pair moving average. This red moving average is the 200 pair moving average. So from the one day time frame, one day chart, only available resistance is at 147, 147.2. Okay, let's switch to 1 week time frame for a much more clear picture. Okay, 1 week time frame shows a beautiful uptrend. Okay, beautiful uptrend. Okay, 2013, 14, 15. So see, from 2012 onwards, how the stock has moved. Beautiful uptrend. Though the stock has some resistance available at 147 level, I'll say that if you are planning to invest for a longer period of time or for long-term investment, then yes, this is the stock. Okay, yes, you can buy also if you're planning to invest for long term. Okay, then you can buy also right now, or you can wait till the stocks come to this particular level 120 to 125. Okay, because if the market fails to break the level of 147, then it will come down to rest a little to gather some strength. Okay, and at that point of time you can catch the stock. But if you are someone who is planning to invest for let's say 10 years, 15 years, then you can just go ahead and buy the stock. Okay, big thumbs up. Though the one day so though the 1 day time frame is not giving us a clear picture. Okay, but the 1 week time frame has given us the picture that yes, this is a stock that you can easily stay invested for a long period of time. Beautiful uptrend, so no worries. Yet it may face some resistance at 147.23 level, but eventually it will cross the level. So you can buy now, or you can also wait till it comes down to this 120, 125 level, or it hits the 200 pair moving average. Otherwise, it's a thumbs up from my side. So not much to tell. Uh, no, not much controversy over this particular stock. Beautiful uptrend. So um, yeah, that's it. Okay. If you like the video and found it informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay. It gives me encouragement to bring more stuff to you all guys. Thank you so much.